that we are proud of our president. The president is doing a great job. I have had a section of some of my colleagues, governors, and I'm very worried to comment on this. I have had some colleagues and some people there who are saying that the medical equipment service provision contract that the county government signed with the national government, that the governors were forced. I want to say this as the governor of Kericho, that I signed for the contract and I was not forced to sign by anyone. I signed because I am literate enough, I know how to read, I know how to interpret. And I read and I realized that county government, we are not able to purchase expensive machines going to millions of shillings given our budget. And the way to do is to lease them and have a service provider that is going to replace them over time to time, so that we are able to provide critical services like chemotherapy to our people and other critical services. So it is very misleading that at any given time, we just want to bunch on the president and say that the president or the national government is forcing people in this direction. We want to depoliticize matters held, and we want to accept and say that as governors, we read, we were taken through it, and we understood what we were signing. And what the president gave us is the best deal for our hospitals. It is the best deal for the citizens of this country, and it will enable us to actualize the share and the SHIP program, which is working in Kericho effectively. I also call upon the people of Kenya that let us also give credit to where it deserves. 2 years down the line of this government, the president has tried his best. We know today that we are seeing subsidized fertilizers led by Piers Rono. And the way we are produced in this country, because the belief of the president is production as opposed to consumption. And today we are having maize flour coming down, the dollar has come down, we are having bursaries and even remittance to county governments coming in good time. Let us support the president. Let us give him time to deliver on his manifesto, as we support all other leaders to be able to deliver on time. And that is why I thought of making that statement, because I believe it is misleading to tell Kenyans that governors were forced to sign. It is an abuse to governors, especially legitimate PhD holders of the standards of Dr. Eric Mutai, that you can imagine he was forced anywhere to sign for this. We were never forced.